The Songmaker Kit from ROLI gives you all you need to make a track anywhere. It combines 3 cutting-edge controllers: the Seaboard Block, the Lightpad Block M, and the Loop Block. These touch-responsive surfaces connect together and integrate seamlessly with software tools so that you can create your sound and compose your track. The Songmaker Kit software package is an incredible value. It includes 2 desktop sound engines, the Noise app for creating on the go, and 2 digital audio workstations. No matter what your workflow is, you can take your track from start to finish with the Songmaker Kit. Start by pairing your blocks with ROLI's app Noise. Record and control loops with the Loop Block. Play melodies and chords on the Seaboard Block by pressing, gliding, and sliding your fingers on the touch-responsive surface. Play drums on the Lightpad Block, which features the same touch sensitivity as the Seaboard Block, and reconfigure its illuminated surface for playing in scales, launching clips, and mixing. You can choose from hundreds of sounds, either in the Noise app or in Equator, ROLI's sound engine that's custom-made for MPE. Take your track to the next level by bringing loops into your preferred digital audio workstation. Customize your blocks to control your favorite plugins, add effects, and much more in Blocks Dashboard. However you choose to make your track, the Songmaker Kit has everything you need. It's also wireless, lightweight, and comes with a protective snap case so you can easily create on the go.